In this video, we will be learning how to insert logo image in your PDF file by using Adobe Acrobat Pro. So here on my screen, you can see this is a PDF file. I want to insert a logo here. So simply you will need to open your PDF file and Adobe Acrobat Pro. When you do that, then simply you will need to click here on this tool button, okay? And then here you can see it's saying prepare form. So simply click on this button. And then you will need to select where you want to put your logo. So I want to put it here, on the top of this health assessment form. So simply I will click here on this image button. Here you can see it's showing image picture. Okay, so simply click on this, and then I will simply click here. Okay, so you can select, put this icon where you want to put your logo. So I want to put it here, any name to this field. So I want to the name of logo. Okay, and then simply you will need to click on this preview button. So now here you can see this check box. So you will need to simply click on this and then here you will need to select the logo which you want to put. Okay, so I will simply click on browser. Now I will click here where you have saved the logo. So I have saved the logo here in the music folder. Okay, so here is the logo which I want to use in this PDF as a demo. Okay, so I will simply click on this and then I will click on open. Now here you can see this is the logo. I will simply click on OK. Now this is the logo which I have put in this PDF. Okay, so if you want to do some changes, if you want to make it bigger, if you want to change the location, you can do it again. Simply click on this edit button. Okay, now you can just move this logo anywhere where you want to move it. Again, you can just put it here, you can just put it here. If you want to increase the size, so simply you can see this icon, so simply click on this and make the size of this logo bigger, so you can do it. And still guys, there's a lot of things you can do on it, so just play with it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. See you later.